Recently, the Prime Minister of which country has inaugurated the Arun 3 hydroelectric project? Answer is option A, Nepal. Friends, Nepal Prime Minister Sri Pushp Kamal Dahal Prachanda inaugurated the tunnel by performing the final blast to mark the completion of an excavation for the 11.8 kilometer long head race tunnel of 900 megawatt Arun 3 hydroelectric project in Shangkhuvasva district, Nepal. Arun 3 hydroelectric project is being constructed by SJVN Arun 3 Power Development Company Private Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of SJVN, who has recently unveiled India's first astro-tourism initiative. Answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Friends, you know the capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. And friends, the Uttarakhand government organized India's first astro-tourism event, Nakshatra Sabha, in Mussoorie, the Queen of Hills, on 1st June and 2nd June 2024. The inaugural event was held at George Everest Peak, famous for its spectacular views of the Doon Valley and the snow-clad mountain ranges of the Himalayas. Aspersa Seva, which was in news recently, is related to which ministry? Answer is option D, Ministry of Defense. In which battle did Maharana Sangha defeated Ibrahim Lodi? Answer is option B, Khatoli. Friends, if we understand in detail, in the battle of Khatoli 1517, Rana Sangha of Mewar defeated Sultan of Delhi Ibrahim Lodi and imprisoned him and then released him after collecting ransom. Ibrahim Lodi was the last king of the Lodi dynasty and the last Sultan of Delhi. He was the son of Sikandar Lodi. Periyar National Park is in which mountain range? Answer is option C, Western Ghats. Friends, Periyar National Park, also known as Periyar Tiger Reserve, is in the mountainous Western Ghats of Kerala, southern India. Periyar National Park was established in the year 1982. Periyar River flows through the national park. Nati is the folk dance of which Indian state? Answer is option B, Himachal Pradesh. Friends, the capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. Which Gupta ruler is known as the Napoleon of India? Answer is option A, Samudragupta. Friends, Chandragupta's selection of Samudragupta proved to be the biggest single factor in the interest of the Gupta dynasty. The Allahabad pillar inscription means Prayag Prasasti, written by his court poet Harisena, gives a detailed account of the conquest of Samudragupta. Owing to his military conquest, Dr. V.A. Smith has called Samudragupta as the Napoleon of India. Which state has a common practice of jhum cultivation? Answer is option A, Mizoram. Friends, you know the capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. It is a type of subsistence farming in which the farmer cultivates on a plot of land temporarily, and when he finds the land infertile to grow due to soil exhaustion, they move on to another plot. It is largely practiced in the northeastern region of India, including Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, etc. This way of farming is also known as jhum kheti. It is also called slash and burn agriculture. The blank consists of relatively unspecialized cell with thin cell wall. Answer is option C, parenchyma. Which constitutes a major part of Antarctica vegetation? Answer is option D, lichen. Who among the following is the communication channel between the Council of Ministers and the President of India? Answer is option D, the Prime Minister. Friends, if we understand in detail, under Article 75, the Prime Minister is appointed by the President, and the oath of office of the Prime Minister is also administered by the President. The Prime Minister is the real executive authority and the head of the government. The Prime Minister is the ex officio chairman of Niti Aayog, National Integration Council and Interstate Council. And friends, the current Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. In which of the following languages did Kalidas write his poem Meghdut? Answer is option B, Sanskrit. The origin of directive principles of state policy can be traced to which of the following? Answer is option A, Karachi Resolution. Friends, the Karachi Resolution was passed by the Indian National Congress as its 1931 Karachi session. The session was conducted in the shadow of three major events: Salt Satyagraha, Gandhi-Irwin Pact, and Civil Disobedience Movement. Which of the following iron and steel plant has been developed with Russian collaboration? Answer is option B, Bhilai Steel Plant. Friends, if we understand in detail, Hindustan Steel Limited, Bhilai, is located in the Durg district of Chhattisgarh and was built with the Russian collaboration. Bhilai Steel Plant was established in 1959 with Russian collaboration in erstwhile Madhya Pradesh, now Chhattisgarh. Who synthesized acetic acid for the first time? Answer is option C, Kolbe. Friends, acetic acid was first made or created from inorganic components in 1845 by German scientist Hermann Kolbe. He created carbon disulfide with chlorine and the end result was carbon tetrachloride. Megasthenes was an ambassador sent to the court of blank. Answer is option A, Chandragupta Maurya. Friends, Megasthenes has been sent as an ambassador to Chandragupta Maurya's court by Seleucus Nicator, the Greek conqueror of West Asia. India is described in the book Indica by Megasthenes. Megasthenes visited the Maurya capital Patliputra. Which of the following countries belong to the polar region? Answer is option C, Canada. Friends, the countries that belong to the polar regions are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska in USA, and Siberia region of Russia. Polar region area around the North Pole or the South Pole. The Satriya dance has developed from the monasteries of. Answer is option C, Assam. Friends, you know the capital of Assam is Dispur. No person can disrespect the national flag, Constitution of India, and the national anthem under the blank act. Answer is option B, Prevention of Insults to National Honor. Friends, Act for Prevention of Insults of National Honor 1971. The law was enacted on 23rd December 1971. It penalizes the desecration of or any insult to the national symbols like the national flag, national anthem, and Indian map, as well as the contempt of the Constitution of India. Who has been honored with the 58th Jnanpith Award? Answer is option A, Jagat Guru Ram Bhadracharya and Guljar.